Today I'm going to show you how to fast track your way to elite status on Princess Cruises. Be sure to stay until the end because I will demonstrate with a real example to show you how it's possible to get to elite status in less than 19 days. What exactly is elite status on Princess Cruises? Well, it's like unlocking a treasure trove of exclusive perks and benefits that can take your cruising experience to a whole new level. So, you're on a Princess Cruise and you start to notice that everyone seems to have a different color medallion. Some are blue, some are white, gold, ruby, silver, and black. Well, the black one is the coveted elite status medallion, which is what I'm talking about today. If you are elite, you get special bonuses on your cruise. Number 1, free unlimited laundry service. Number 2, free grapevines tasting valued at $15 each. Number 3, a mini bar setup, which includes 8 alcoholic drinks, 2 waters, 2 beers, and 6 soft drinks. Number 4, priority waiting room to get to when you are embarking and disembarking. Number 5, a discount on your Wi-Fi. Number 6, a discount on your photography services. Number 7, a discount on shore excursions. Number 8, a black pin. And number 9, an invitation to go to the Captain's Circle party. Other than these bonuses, one of the most important parts of hitting the highest status on a cruise line is that you'll be able to match your status and your benefits on some other cruise lines like MSC and Virgin Voyages. In other words, if you're elite on Princess, then when you go on MSC or Virgin, you will be elite on their voyages too. Now, it's not easy for people to get to the elite status on Princess. In fact, it may seem completely out of reach for those of you, especially who live in places that are nowhere near a cruise terminal. It is likely that you may go on one cruise a year and not even go on the same cruise line. So how on earth will you ever hit elite status? Well, there are 2 ways to get to the status. You will either get there by the number of days that you've traveled on with Princess, which is 150 days, or you will get there by the number of cruises that you've taken and traveled on with Princess. Either way, it can still take you years to get to the elite status. So how can you get there fast? Well, I have a couple of strategies for you. Number 1, if you book a full suite on a cruise, it counts as 2 points, or 2 cruises out of the 15 that you need to book. So if you can find suites at an affordable price, you can double your points. And number 2, if you book shorter cruises and take them more often, then you can double your points as well. In this case, if you're coming from Canada, for example, and you take 2 back-to-back 7-day Princess cruises, totaling 14 days, you will get 2 points for having done 2 cruises out of the 15. You can do this in any kind of cabin. And here's the key. You could do the real big strategy of doing 2 back-to-back cruises in a suite, which would count as 4 points toward your 15. Now, for the most unbelievable thing that I just discovered, Princess has a current promotion that if you take a cruise in 2024 before December 1st, 2024, and add on the Premier or Plus package, you would double your points again, meaning that those 2 back-to-back cruises in a suite would be worth 8 points. So you can see right here on the Princess site, they have onboard cruise deals and packages. And this is the Princess Plus and Premier package that I'm talking about. And right here is their advertisement, 2 times the cruise credits, 2 times the love. So double your cruise credits with the purchase of a Plus or Premier package. So I'm clicking Learn More, and you can see double the cruise credits, double the love. So for a limited time only, purchase Princess Plus or Princess Premier at least 2 days before you sail between August 1st and through December 1st, 2024, and they will double the cruise credits and you move up the Captain Circle faster. And here are the different programs, and we're talking about here the Elite. I'm going to show you a real example using the Princess website of how to put all of this together and actually earn 12 points within 12 days. Here I am on the Princess website. I'm just going to show you how this could work. So here you have a 2-day Pacific Coastal leaving from Seattle, and the date here is October the 10th. So from there on the Majestic Princess, you could find the next Majestic Princess, which happens to be on October 12th here, and it picks up where the last one leaves off, 5 days leaving from Vancouver to Los Angeles. So you could choose this one here, and then after 5 days that would bring you to October the 17th on the Majestic Princess, and here it is again, another 5-day. So you could technically pick these 3 cruises and get the upgrade of being in a suite, and during the current promotion, you could get double the cruise points. And in order to get your Elite status in 19 days, you would just need to apply the same strategy to a 7-day booking before or after the cruise. So again, using the Majestic Princess as an example, just attach another cruise. So you really don't have to wait 15 years at one 10-day cruise per year to elevate yourself to Elite status on Princess. You can get all of the Elite benefits plus status match yourself to other cruise lines by booking shorter itineraries more often and by booking suites if possible. Now, if you're just starting out with Princess and you haven't even booked yet, you need to click the link in the description below to get your free $25 onboard credit. Anyone who is traveling with you, as long as they are new to Princess as well, can click it too. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your fellow cruises who are also aiming for Elite status. And please be sure to check out our other cruise-related content for more tips and tricks to enhance your cruising experience and save you money.